Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Mains General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. Leaders of which organizations raised objections on the Nehru report at the all-party convention held at Calcutta in December 1928, whether it is a Muslim League or Hindu Mahasabha or Sikh League or all of the above. So we need to find the right answer among these given four options as it is an MCQ type question. But here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into the answer. The Muslim League had reservation against Nehru report. In reaction, Muhammad Ali Jinnah drafted his 14 points drafted his 14 points in 1929, which became the core demands the Muslim community put forward as the price of their participating in an independent united India. Independent united India. Their objections were objections were first of all separate electorates and weightage, separate electorates and weightage, the 1916 Congress Muslim League Agreement, Congress Muslim League Agreement, Lucknow Pact provided this, Lucknow Pact provided these to the Muslim community, whereas Muslim community they were rejected by the Nehru report. Secondly, residuary powers the Muslim League realized that while they would be a majority in the provinces of the northeast and northwest of India, northeast and northwest of India, and hence would control their provincial legislatures. They would always be a majority at the center. Thus, they demanded contra the Nehru report that residuary powers go to the provinces. That residuary powers go to the provinces. Okay, so that's the answer. Therefore, the right answer is option 1. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all. Thank you very much.